Hello, good morning. My name is Mikael Ivander K from 12 Science 2, number 20. And today I'm gonna show you how to make homemade crispy fried chicken. Then let's check it out. Make sure all of the ingredients are ready, like chickens, egg, salt, pepper, boncabe powder, all-purpose flour, and cooking oil. And the equipments are fork, spoon, frying pan, tongs, plate, and two bowls. The first step is wash the chickens. The next is pour all-purpose flour into a bowl. And then add some salt, and pepper, also boncabe powder, and then mix it well. And make sure mix them well so you can get a nice tasty raw and crispy fried chicken. Then grab an egg and crack the egg in a separate bowl. Also, don't forget to add some or a pinch of salt in the bowl and then beat the egg. Mix it well. The next steps is Pour the cooking oil into the frying pan until you think it can drown the chicken on it. And also, don't forget to heat the stove until the oil is hot enough. After that, dip the chicken into the beaten egg. Then coat it with the flour. If you think that the oil is hot enough, then put the flour coated chicken into the oil. And wait the chicken until it gets nice and golden brown. If it's done and gets some golden brown skin, remove it from the frying pan and put it to the side. Yeah, finally, our homemade crispy fried chickens are ready to be served.